How to see total sales in Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to see or to analyze your total sale or your sale growth into your Shopify store. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over shopify.com, sign in for our account, and as you can see, we are on the dashboard or the admin dashboard of it. Now, once we are here, we're going to head over to the left side of the screen, which is going to contain the menu items, and we're going to choose from here analytics. So we're going to focus on the dashboard of the analytics without clicking on the reports or the live views. And then we're going to see the gross sales, as you can see, returning customer rate, order of fulfilled orders, the total, and etc. So we're going to find also a widget specific for total sales by sales channel and etc. Now, the most important part here is going to be the total sale, which is going to be situated right here. So this is the total sale. We are going to click on it. It is going to change the dashboard, and then we are going to find the sale ID, the order name, the product title, and also the gross sale of that product. Also, for the tracking of the time and day, it is going to be right here. Now, you can also use the metrics. As you can see, these are going to be the metrics that has been used. You can add some metrics if you want. You're going to find whatever metrics that you have. And at the end, you're going to find the results of yours here. This is going to be the total sale analytic. Now, this is or that was a report. Now, for the analytic itself, it is going to be setting up here the sum of the or the total of the sales. And also, you can go ahead and navigate here whatever you want from the analytics, which is going to be very helpful to have, let's say, something to compare for or something that you're going to head or find. So do not forget that you can go ahead and add a comparison to, and also you can set up the date that you want to see the total sales of. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.